All right, so we're going to walk through how to create a project in BuilderComs, and we're at the main dashboard. So when you log in, this is what you see. What we do is we'll go to create a project. Everything's very intuitive in here. We have tried to make it that way, so it works just like everything that you've ever utilized before. You can add a customer if you need to add one in there. Or if you have an existing one, say John Smith here, we're going to go with him, pulls his information immediately up. You can create any kind of project name. We'll say this is Project 01. You can add a description right on in there, as well as the install date so the customer can see when you're going to be coming out there, and an estimated completion date. So that is also in there as well. From here, I can add crew members. I can add a foreman as well, so they have access to the project. We can add any supporting documents right in here, or any pictures that we may have that go with the project. And you just hit create project, let it do its thing, and project one is now official, and that shows up under your projects. So from the dashboard, when you click on current projects or projects up here up top, it will bring you into your project screen. You can come right in and view that project that we just created. So any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help with your journey, with your customer experience, and getting out of the he said, she said of everyday conversations.